Very good morning, my friends, my dear Dream Big 2 friends. This is it, day 72, and I am in the US, close to Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah, this is just amazing. I'm now walking towards the ocean, and where I will start my run across the US. And how lovely this morning is. And yeah, this place is something I have not seen before. So I was told only in a couple of weeks apparently one of the greatest golf tournaments take place here. So yeah, the Players, the golf tournament is called, or the Player, I don't know. But yeah, I am so happy to be here. Marty, thank you. Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. This is so exciting. I'm standing at the Atlantic again, and Ponte Vedra Beach. What a beautiful place to start. Very fine sand here. And yeah, look at this. Just a little bit before, just a little after 7, and yeah, this is where I'm gonna start. Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. And yeah, this is just an amazing point. Yeah, I love that. I'm not gonna go too far in because of the sand. Otherwise I have to take off my shoes again. So friends, I don't know what's gonna happen, and what am I gonna do here in the US, and I will have to figure out of like what's exactly ahead of me. But yeah, let's discover it together, and hopefully you'll be with me. I can't wait to explore the US with you. So let's go, my friends, let's go. Ready to go. Who are you? You are funny. Look at this. Oh, you are funny. You're the first one that I see live like this. Good deer. I don't know what it is in English. They look funny. So yeah. Yeah, this is an environment. Wow. It's quite the contrast to Chile, of course. And yeah. I will just have a chance to run down this road for about almost 20 miles. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this nice different route here. I love it. I just read the first sign. Alligators and snakes may be present. That makes me want to camp here. This is gonna be so much fun. I think when I see my first alligator, that's when I really get scared. I don't have any experience with those. But let's see if we encounter one, or 2 or 3 or 4, we'll see. After England and Chile, another green tunnel here in Florida. Not as green as others, but beautiful too. So yeah. Only 3 miles in or something, so we have the whole day to run. Easy. Yeah, so this is a perfect run to get my legs moving again after these flights. And here it says, welcome to South Ponte Vedra Beach and Vedra Beach. And nice birds here too, and beautiful plants. And I ran about 10 miles, feeling good. It's quite flat, of course, and so I think it's a good start again after the 2 days not running. So yeah, just kind of getting acclimatized to a different climate, time, country. Yeah, just kind of finding a new rhythm in a new place. Yeah, feels good, feels good. Yeah, this is really beautiful. A bit more than 13 miles run, and I feel yeah, this is great. This is a great start into, you know, a run in North America. Still nervous, of course, but just gonna be alright. Yeah, I think today I'm not going too far. I will see. But this is beautiful. Let's go. 20 miles. It says here, welcome to Vedra Beach. I think in about 2 or 3 miles I should be in St. Augustine. And this is one of the oldest, or the oldest historical settler city apparently. I don't know, let's go and see. So this is quite a big bridge now, and taking us all over this moorland or this river here of Fuji. After 24.28 miles, first flat tire, it seems like something that I have pretty much on every day when I start a run. No, it was only in England, I think, on the first day. I don't think it was in Buenos Aires. So yeah, a new tube. I'm gonna fix the old one tonight if I can. And I think there's a coffee just down the road. I think that's what I will do now. I think it's a good strategy. Well, my friends, I would not say this is my most favorite place I have been so far, but it's a place, and it's called Elkton Quality Inn. And I think it's just sufficient for me to have a good night's sleep, finish up my YouTube videos, get all my social media stuff done for today, and be ready for a wonderful day tomorrow in Florida with the eagle on my shoulder. And no, this has been a really amazing day of just easy running, 30 miles of just, yeah, perfect to just kind of get moving again. You know, after 2 days of traveling, I always feel my back, and I felt a little bit stiff, so I'm now I kind of loosened up again, and I am really ready for tomorrow. I think we're going to Interlaken, not Interlaken, Interlaken. I don't know if that's funny, but yeah, for me it is. So yeah, the Eagle and I wish you a very pleasant evening and or morning or whatever time of the day you actually have. And yeah, I'm in Florida and I cannot believe that I am now running across the US, but it feels good. Definitely a stark contrast to the last 60 days in South America, but I will get used to it, and I'm gonna love it. And yeah, the couple of wonderful people I met today, thank you very much. I have enjoyed talking to you a lot. So if you are interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get some good rest, and I will catch you tomorrow, my friends. Dream big too. Do not forget, dream big too. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye.